Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how to troubleshoot gas electric oven. The oven does not want to supply no gas to the burners for operation. So we'll be finding out exactly what is responsible for that. And I encourage you to continue to watch and subscribe my YouTube channel. You are welcome and God bless you real good. Hello guys, as we continue, let's begin by looking at the gas solenoid valve. If there's any blockage on the line, then secondly check the solenoid valve. If the solenoid valve is in good condition, then having done that, we move to the shutter and check the shutter. If the shutter is in good condition as well, then we move to the igniter. The igniter and check why is it not igniting the burners and nozzles. Then also check why the sensors are not working. Then finally we go to the controller. From the controller we move to the timer. Having checked all this, then lastly we move to continue by loosening the solenoid valve to be sure if is the real culprit that is responsible for not supplying gas. Let's check the spring. If the spring is okay, to shut down the gas line. Next, let's check the windings or the coil of the solenoid valve. If it's in good shape or it has completely gone bad. Because when it is bad, it will disable the solenoid valve from operating. So let's check and see. Then having checked the solenoid valve, let's quickly look at the igniter as we loosen it out. This igniter is open. You can see the transformer and the electronics component all together put together. It actually functions to ignite the burner and as well as control the sensor. Now the shutter is being checked. The blower fan has been checked and everything seems very okay. So the adjustment of the shutter too is very okay. I'm just trying to show you how it can be adjusted to give you the maximum and good flame. Now, having troubleshooted the gas electric oven, we finally find out that one of the pipe that convey LPG gas to the burners was actually blocked, and it was unblocked and reinstalled back to enable the burners work efficiently. These are some of the maintenance that is required for every gas oven. To check the hose, the pipe and what have you, all the components to make sure that everything is in good condition. Finally, the pipe has been reinstalled back and checked for any form of leakages. All joints have been checked. The electronics and the electrical components have been checked for any partial contact. The components have been checked properly and everything is in good shape and the machine is working properly. I encourage you to continue to come and watch and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.